Today's visitors spend hours online, and many prefer browsing in dark mode, especially during the evening. If your Divi website doesn't offer a dark mode experience, you could be missing an opportunity to improve user comfort and engagement. The good news? You can enable dark mode on your Divi website in just a few simple steps, without touching a single line of code. First, from your WordPress dashboard, install and activate the WP Dark Mode plugin. Then, open WP Dark Mode settings and enable Frontend Dark Mode to allow visitors to switch between light and dark themes. Choose a switch style. Position and appearance that perfectly matches your Divi website. Visit your website and test the dark mode switch. WP Dark Mode automatically adapts your Divi pages for a smooth viewing experience. WP Dark Mode gives you advanced customization options, multiple switch designs, dark mode analytics, scheduling, and seamless compatibility with Divi. Install WP Dark Mode today and give your Divi website the modern, dark browsing experience your visitors expect.